In this video, I will explain the formula, syntax, and usage of Microsoft Excel's hyperlink function. Pay your attention while watching this video to understand the process better. Let's begin. The hyperlink function generates a shortcut that navigates to a different position in the current workbook or opens a document saved on a network server, intranet, or the internet. When you click a cell that has a hyperlink function, Excel navigates to the given URL or opens the document. Syntax: hyperlink, open parenthesis, link location, open bracket, friendly name, close bracket, close parenthesis. The following arguments are passed to the hyperlink function syntax. 1 link location required. The term link location can refer to a specific location in a document, such as a specific cell or named range in an Excel worksheet or workbook, or a bookmark in a Microsoft Word document. The path can point to a file on a hard disk device. The path can either be a Server Universal Naming Convention, or UNC, path in Microsoft Excel for Windows, or an Internet or Intranet Uniform Resource Locator, URL, route. The hyperlink function in Excel for the web is only usable for web addresses, or URLs. Link location can be either a text string surrounded by quotation marks, or a reference to a cell containing the link as a text string. When you click the cell, an error message shows if the jump provided in link location does not exist or cannot be visited. Friendly name optional. The jump text or numeric value shown in the cell. Friendly name is highlighted and shown in blue. If friendly name is not specified, the link location is shown as the jump text in the cell. Friendly name can be a value, text string, name, or cell containing the jump text or value. If friendly name produces an error value, for example, #value!, the error is shown instead of the jump text in the cell. To select a cell that contains a hyperlink without moving to the hyperlink destination in the Excel desktop program, click the cell and hold the mouse button until the cursor changes to a cross, then release the mouse button. Select a cell in Excel for the web by clicking it while the pointer is an arrow, and then move to the hyperlink destination by clicking when the cursor is a pointing hand. Example: equals hyperlink, open parenthesis, quotation mark, http://example.microsoft.com/report/budget report.xlsx quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, click for report, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Result: opens a workbook saved at http://example.microsoft.com/report. The cell displays click for report as its jump text. Example: equals hyperlink, open parenthesis, quotation mark, bracket, http://example.microsoft.com/report/budget report.xlsx closing bracket, annual, F10, quotation mark, comma, D1, close parenthesis. Result: creates a hyperlink to cell F10 on the annual worksheet in the workbook saved at http://example.microsoft.com/report. The cell on the worksheet that contains the hyperlink displays the contents of cell D1 as its jump text. Example: equals hyperlink, open parenthesis, quotation mark, open bracket, http://example.microsoft.com/report/budget report.xlsx close bracket, first quarter, debt total, comma, click to see first quarter department total, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Result: creates a hyperlink to the range name debt total on the first quarter worksheet in the workbook saved at http://example.microsoft.com/report. The cell on the worksheet that contains the hyperlink displays click to see first quarter department total as its jump text. This was all from my side to guide you about Microsoft Excel's built-in function called hyperlink. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.